Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Coffee in a Boardroom and CEPTES. I'm your host Charles. We are back again another week. Today, we have with us our very own CEO and founder, Mr. Priyaranjan Panigrahy. Today, we are going to talk about our grand and exciting plans for Dreamforce this year, which is the Salesforce's biggest event of the year. Hello, Pia. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Charu.
So, we are talking about Dreamforce, right? Dreamforce, maybe some people are not familiar, only probably Salesforce professionals might be familiar, but a huge chunk of audience might not know what Dreamforce is. So, from your perspective, what actually Dreamforce is and why is it such a huge deal in the tech world?
As you know, maybe I'm a little bit biased because I'm part of this ecosystem more than 2 decades.
Right.
And Salesforce is also more than 2 decades. Dreamforce is happening, more than like 10, 12 times that's happening right now. Those who are know Salesforce about, they know this is the biggest Salesforce event or even the tech event. Now, and everybody willing and everybody has a wish to be experience the Dreamforce event.
Right.
Now, there is a time where before pandemic time, I was witnessed because we were there last 7 to 8 times continuously. We had our booth over there. We see more than 200,000 of people. They would be coming to the main downtown city in the Salesforce office over there. As a huge campground and kind of a huge tech event. Entire city would be flourished and color and painted to Salesforce and related partners were doing a lot of things. All hotels are packed, all streets are packed, and you can see there is some celebration. Certain events are happening, some festivals are happening in the city.
Right.
That's what it is. I'm pretty sure I have not witnessed any other event of the tech event, but what I heard is that Dreamforce is one of the great event for the B2B, where customers across the countries they come, the partners they come, and they put their showcase their things. There's a lot of learning. The more part is that people coming for them to train, certify then and there itself. Salesforce launch the good products. What exactly going to be happening in the upcoming years? And then they bring a lot of trailblazers, what you call the customers, the partners, and they talk about that. And one of that, 3 days events and this festival going on every day. You have an evening party, evening celebrations like that. Always they welcome those celebrities, those who are singers or the dancers, and they book the entire the Oracle Stadium in the downtown itself, and they do a huge this. It is a kind of one kind of experience. Those who are part of the Salesforce ecosystem, I wish they would have experienced at least once, how the Dreamforce is. So they would be experienced and experience that.
Right. Sounds super exciting. So Pia, you have been there for like 7, 8 times as you mentioned. So what is your expectation this time that I'm expecting this year, like 2024 Dreamforce, I'm expecting this. So what are those a few points?
Yeah, being a learner and being a part of the ecosystem, I would like to see what Salesforce is going to talk about this AI and data cloud or new products that which is coming out, right? How the market is stepping up. Knowing this, there's a lot of economic problem across the world in various ways. How Salesforce is planning to pitch and coming with the innovation to talk into the customers. That's one part. As a learner, I was looking for some cool sessions on AI and the data side of it, integration side of it, to understand that, so that I will explore more. I can pass this information to our team, and you can learn and you can pass the same message to our customers, those who are not able to join Dreamforce, and you can pass this message to us. And as a partner, as you know, we are ISB, SI, PDO, and all sort of partners. We wanted to see that what are the new industries, clouds, vertical solutions are coming by Salesforce. And then I'm going to meet the fellow partners, those who are ISB partner, SI partners, to look for some kind of collaboration and engagement with them, how we can help them, what sort of products that we have which can be integrated with them, like 200 OK we talked about. We have a data products also, Expiles Pro, Data Archive, and some industry solutions what we have at Real 360. How we can collaborate with other team, other partners, so that you can do, and that the business is all about the collaboration here. So that's where I'm looking for, meeting more people, learning some more, generating some business opportunity, and sharing the knowledge and experiences, meeting our customers and partners. Mostly that is the only one time, as you know, we have customers across 5 continents, but hardly we get a chance to meet all of them at a time. So those who are coming to the Dreamforce, of course, it's a fantastic time that we wanted to share with them, have a fine dine with them, take some selfies, have create some moments, and then you want to and learning. As I said, that I would like to see learning and where Salesforce is taking us to the next year. That's what I want most eager to waiting for to express.
Correct. Pierre, as you said, that business is all about collaboration, right? So this is our expectation. This is CEPTES' expectation from the Dreamforce event. So what are the fellow attendees like? What is that their expectation from CEPTES? So it's the other way around as well. So my question is, what is that grand plan that CEPTES has in the Dreamforce?
Yeah, as I said, we have 500 plus our customers that we are serving it today, right? Being a 15 years summit partner, having 8-9 applications in App Exchange, and winning this innovation partners, we have a lot of expectations. The partners also, or customers also expecting a lot from us. What's new that we are going to provide here, right?
Correct.
But when you talk about attendees here, attendees are various type of attendees, right? As I said, I myself am going as a multiple avatar, right? One is a learner profile. I'm going as an innovator or entrepreneur profile. I'm going as a partner profile here, right? Similarly, every attendee who comes, either they are associated to Salesforce, and most of them are customer, or then the next category you can find out most of them are partner. As a partner, also there are different type of partner: SI partner, ISB partner, PDO partner, or some other industry partner. So as an attendee, now there are certain learners who comes because certain company who send their architects, developers, project managers also. You go and experience and try to understand what the new innovation going on and how we can use and adapt to those new things. Right. Because one place you can get a lot of innovations, not only from Salesforce but from the entire ecosystem. Correct. And that's the good opportunity for them to go to this campground, go to that event center, go to that each booth and booth, all understand that what they are using it today, how they are using Salesforce today, what are the new innovation introduced by the boutique partners across the world. Can they replace something? Can they treat that? Now, as become the AI world, what are the new products are coming? How they can increase their productivity? They must wanted to know more, or they wanted to learn more. So attendee always looking for what new things. As a customer point of view, the people who comes, they look for more into what new things are coming to can adopt it. Right. What are the cost-effective products? What are the easy things that we can do that which they are not aware of today? Until unless you don't know something, what you are going to do something. Right. That's what they were looking for more. Apart from the meeting, collaborating, having fun, food, and all that, they would be looking. But the partners, fellow attendee, they are the partners also. Those who are coming, they would be looking for a completely collaboration opportunities, like I said. Right. That could be the. Okay. So, Pierre, as you just talked about so many categories of attendees as well. And if I was going to Dreamforce, I would totally be lost with such a grand event and, such a big scale. So I want you to give, there might be many people like me. So I want you to give some advice to the attendees like, okay, if you're looking for this is my advice because you've been there for a couple of times. Some advice, and also for people who are looking more towards learning about our products, CRM AI Copilot 200 OK and other data products, Data Archive and Expense Pro. So I want you to give some advice also to people because the scale of this is like huge. Right. That way. So yeah, that is the reason actually what we as a company planning to do that one. This time we will be available in the APAC lounge in the Dreamforce near to that opposite side of that. There is an APAC lounge for Asia Pacific partners as a completely lounge facility, and where our team, our 5-6 member team who are going there to serving our customer, to meeting our people and all that. I would like to say them, as you know, we are creating our data cloud own native data cloud product, right? A parallel to a data cloud product we are trying to build, integration product that we build, a data solution, file solution as an integration solution that we build, communication solution. And most recently what we launched the AI Copilot solution, right, which is very well complementing to the Salesforce AI Copilot. Apart from that, it has much more capability to connect to any data source, talk in any language, and you can giving the complete freedom to a developer to utilize the way they wanted to use it, right? And as we always been looking after now, apart from the enterprise, it's always be a dream for any company to pitch them. But all our products are very effectively secure native product and affordable product. Right. That means we are catered more into SMB sector as well. those who are in a 10 license to up to 500 or 1000 license also, but they have a need, they want to try it out something also, they could have loved, they can take it without taking much of the risk of the cost risk, management risk, use risk and all that one, they can pretty much use that. So what we are looking for, as you said, we expect that our attendee or partners, they can come to us, they visit us in Epoch Lounge, we will be there, and of course we will be there as a CEPTES and website also. You will be talking about our phone number and QR code and address and everything. You can find me, my co-founder, all the team also available there. Please reach out, stop by us, and we will talk about that, what new innovation we are bringing, how this can help you on that one. That's what we are planning.
Correct. So unfortunately, PR and my listeners, this is the time we have for today. Thank you so much for doing this, PR. It was a super insightful session on Dreamforce.
Thank you, Charu. Nice talking to you.